Welcome to all in SPS study. Today we are going to discuss here about laws of reflection. In previous video we have learned about refraction, in which we have learned that the ray of light which comes from first medium and enter into second medium, this is the second medium, okay, so it distracted from his actual path. It means that it either bent toward the normal or away from the normal. So the phenomena of bending of light toward the normal or away from the normal is known as refraction of light. Here we see that the ray which comes from a medium, this ray is known as incident ray, and after refraction that ray is known as refracted ray, right? And the angle between incident ray and normal, this is the normal, okay, this angle is known as angle of incident, okay, I think you got it. And another thing, the angle between refracted ray and normal, okay, this angle is known as angle of refraction. We have to keep these points in our mind, okay. Now come to our topic, that is laws of refraction. There are two laws of refraction. First law states that the incident ray, okay, means आपतित किरण, refracted ray means अपवर्तित किरण, and normal to the incident point all lie in same plane. Here we should know about same plane. What the mean of same plane? That is, here we see that in this figure that this is the incident ray, okay, this is a glass slab, which means it is a second medium, okay. When it enter into second medium means glass slab, so it got refraction, and this is the refracted ray, okay, and this is a normal. So here we see that these all three things all lie in same plane, okay. It means that incident ray means this, and this normal and this refracted ray all lie in same plane. This is the plane, okay. I think you all got it. Now we come to second law. Second law of refraction states that the ratio of sine of angle of incident. Angle of incident means the angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incident, and to the sine of angle of refraction. Angle of refraction means the angle between refracted ray and normal is always constant, okay. Constant का मतलब क्या है, उसका वैल्यू हमेशा सेम रहता है. This law is also known as Snell's law. Second law of refraction is known as Snell's law, okay. Here we see that this is the incident ray and this is the normal. So here this angle means theta 1, okay, this is incident angle, and this is the refracted ray and this is normal in second medium, okay. So this angle is known as refracted angle. So the sine of, okay, sine of means the value sine, ठीक, तो means sine of I means theta 1 upon sine of theta 2 means r. दिस ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट रिमेन कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट का मीन्स इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि n बराबर साइन आई अपॉन साइन आर. तो हेयर आई इज एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल, आर इज द एंगल बिटवीन रिफ्रैक्टेड रे एंड नॉर्मल. तो दिस रेशियो मीन्स साइन आई, द रेशियो ऑफ साइन आई एंड साइन आर is known as n, and this n is always constant, and this n is also known as refractive index, ठीक है. About refractive index we will learn in next video, ठीक है. This n is n tell about the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, okay. I think you all is eligible to understand thing, okay. Thanks for watching this video, okay. Thank you.